I'm Miss Christine, and today we are going to be exploring a video topic, Media Balance is Important. This is for kids in kindergarten. I teach preschool, so I feel that this is important for part of their school readiness goals is to get them ready for kindergarten. So this is a lesson we could work on towards the end of the year to prepare them for all the technology use they will have once they get into kindergarten. Our learning objectives are to know when and why to take breaks from our device time and to consider the feeling of people around them even when engaged in fun online activities. I would ask them how they feel when they're using technology or when other people are using technology. Maybe it makes them happy when they're playing games, but how do they feel if someone else is playing a game on their phone or tablet and won't give them a turn? It could make them angry or sad or feel unimportant or ignored. Some of our key vocabularies that we are going to be learning in this lesson is balance. Balance is when you have two things that weigh the same. You can't have one that's heavier. So by this lesson, we're going to be spending more time on one thing than the other. We need to find a balance between our online and our offline activities. A device could be a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. Anything that we use to play our games or to watch videos could be a device. For our activities, we would watch a short video on how balance is important. And I would just click on Balance is Important. And it will have a cute 2-minute song about how people feel in a balance. I would also have a printout of the words so that we could refer back to them, maybe break it down a little bit, and give them a little better understanding of what the video is saying. Then we would have a pause moment, and I would give them the pause and think worksheet. They could draw a picture of what balance looks like in their life, and then I could help them write a few words about the picture. Once they did that, we would talk about some of our pictures and discuss some things that we learned from the song. Like perhaps media and technology use doesn't need to take over the other things that are more important in our life. Or too much of one thing can make us angry or sad. Then I would ask them, why should you take a break from your device when a friend says hi? Well, it's kind to pay attention to other people when they're talking to you. Friends are more important than devices. You can always pause the game and go back to it, but you can't ever be in that moment again with your friend. And then you can help your friend if they're feeling lonely. Maybe they want your attention, so you could just take a break. Another question would be, why is it a good idea to turn off your device before going to bed? Because it gives your eyes and your brain time to rest and grow, and it just gives them a break. Then I would also send home the Media Balance is Important Parent-Family Guide. It has a number they can text for weekly tips on healthy media habits. It just helps further the learning at home so the parents know what the kids are learning at school. The ISTE standards for students are empowered learners. They understand the fundamental concepts of technology operations and demonstrate the ability to choose, use, and troubleshoot current technology and are able to transfer their knowledge to explore emerging technologies. They're also a knowledge constructor. They're able to build knowledge by actively exploring real-world issues and problems, developing ideas and theories, and pursuing answers and solutions. The third standard for students is global collaborator, where they contribute constructively to project teams, assuming various roles and responsibilities to work effectively towards a common goal. The standard for teachers is citizen. Create experience for learning to make positive, social, responsible contributions and exhibit empathetic behavior online that build relationships and communities. Thank you.